Hey guys, we're doing the 2 box Upper Deck Supreme Hardcourt, box 3 and 4, random player break. It's 4:43:50 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants. We're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oops, missed the 1. Copy. Players. We're going 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and spot 2 is Jordan. Shane Scott. Matthews, Dirk. Oh, shit at the top. Where's LeBron? Curry, Thorpe. There he is. 24, Matthews. Matthews is like, hook me, LeBron. He's like, give me LeBron or we're no longer friends. Oh, fuck, mate. I didn't think it was like that. I thought we were friends for good. No, mate, we're not friends for good. Fucking I tell you when we're friends. Alrighty, Benji, Mac, George Evan, Shane Scott, Jordan, Matus, Dirk, James Canny, Jerry West, Benny Osmond, Magic Johnson, Andrew Hunt, Clyde, Drexler, Brian Gomez, Penny, Benji Mac, Wiggy, Weber, Vince Carter, Dan Chappell, Fultz, Matus, Elgin Baylor, Ash Peters, Cat, Dan Chappell, DeMarcus, Mr. Hewitt, Alan Iverson, Shane Borco, Thon McCurr, Ian Nan, Larry Bird, Shane Borco, Dennis Rodman, Bestwick, Ben Simmons, Corey Leslie, Dr. J, Albie, Zach Levine, Steve Stafford, Alonzo Mourning, Adam Bartley, Jamal Murray, Daniel Thorpe, Steph Curry, Matus, LeBron James, Martin Navarro, Hakeem, Billy with Kevin Love, and Benny Osmond, Porzingis. And that is the lineup. I'm going to get yelled at. I'm waiting for it.